Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Caitlin, and in this video, I will show you how to create a hot cocoa bomb using an apple mold. I will be making this popular treat using apple pie flavoring and a caramel apple spice blend. Let us know in the comments what shapes you have used for your hot cocoa bombs and your favorite flavors for this delicious treat. The shells for hot cocoa bombs can be made using real chocolate or candy coating. Candy coating gives you an advantage as a beginner, or if you are short on time, as it only requires you to melt it before it is ready to use. Real chocolate requires you to temper it, and this process takes some time to master. Continue watching this video to learn what chocolate we recommend using and how to make your own hot cocoa mix. Let's get started. Start by melting red candy coating in the microwave using 30-second intervals. We recommend using candy coating over real chocolate as this speeds up the process of making the shells for the hot cocoa bomb. Once the candy coating is melted, add a 1/4 teaspoon of apple pie flavoring. Because this is not an oil-based flavoring, the chocolate will become thick. Add 2 tablespoons of Paramount crystals and microwave for 20 to 30 seconds and mix well. If the chocolate is still too thick, add another 2 tablespoons of Paramount crystals and microwave. Add a small amount of oil-based red food color to deepen the red. Fill one cavity from this apple mold full and tap on your work surface to release any air bubbles. Invert the mold over the bowl of melted chocolate and gently shake to remove excess chocolate. Clean up the edges of the mold with a small spatula. Repeat these steps for the second half of the apple mold. Place the mold in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes or until the chocolate is set. Once the chocolate has set up, add another layer of red chocolate to the top edge of each cavity. This will create a thicker and stronger edge on the apple pieces. Allow this chocolate to set up before removing it from the mold. To remove, invert the mold over your work surface and gently tap on the mold to release the chocolate. If the apple pieces do not easily come out of the mold, place in the refrigerator for another 10 minutes and try again. Heat a plate in the microwave, then smooth the edge of the bottom piece of the apple. Measure 2 tablespoons of caramel apple spice blend into the bottom part of the mold. Smooth and melt the edge of the top piece of the apple and attach to the bottom piece. Set this aside and fill a tipless bag with white chocolate candy coating. Microwave using 20-second intervals, then fill the leaf sections of this mold. Gently tap the mold on your work surface to release any air bubbles, then fill in any missing spaces of the mold. Place in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes. Invert the mold and gently tap on your work surface to remove. Heat a plate in the microwave to smooth the back side of each leaf and attach together. Cover a paint tray with plastic wrap for easy cleanup and add green and brown poppy paint to the cavities. Paint the leaf and stem on one side and allow it to dry for 5 to 10 minutes before painting the other side. Once the paint is dry, paint both sides with Super Shine as this paint dries with a matte finish. Allow the first side to dry for 10 minutes before painting the other side. To attach the stem to the apple, melt some red candy coating in a bag and fill the space at the top of the apple. Place the stem in the melted coating and use some tools, such as a paintbrush and a bowl, to hold it in place while it sets up. Measure 1 cup of half and half or milk and heat it in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes or until it just begins to boil. Place your apple cider bomb in the hot milk and stir until the chocolate and cider spice mix is completely incorporated. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and turning on the notifications. Your support will help us grow our channel and create more videos. Don't forget to leave us a comment letting us know what mold shapes and flavorings are your favorite to use for hot cocoa bombs. If you want to see more videos like this one, check out the miscellaneous or chocolate candy coating desserts playlist on our channel. Comment below and let us know if you would like to see more videos like this one and any other videos you would like to see. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram to stay updated on our newest products, and be sure to check out our stories for upcoming projects. Our social media links can be found in the description box below. We love to see how you use products from our store, so be sure to tag us in your posts. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.